stop scrolling. If you've been working out for weeks and still not seeing results on the scale, this video will completely change what you think about burning fat. Most people waste hours doing the wrong type of exercise. Today, you're going to find out exactly what works, and it's simpler than anything you've tried before. In the next few minutes, you're going to get 10 simple workouts you can do to burn fat fast. No gym required, no equipment, and no complicated routines. These aren't random exercises pulled off the internet. These are the movements that actually trigger your body's fat-burning engine, and you can start today. Here's the thing most fitness content won't tell you. Fat loss isn't about burning the most calories during a workout. It's about triggering the right metabolic response, one that keeps your body burning fat for hours after you stop moving. Workout number 1, jump rope. Jump rope is one of the most underrated fat-burning tools on the planet. In just 10 minutes, you can burn more calories than a 30-minute jog. Don't have a rope? Do the exact same motion without one. It sounds ridiculous, but your heart rate doesn't know the difference. How to do it? Jump for 30 seconds, rest for 15. Repeat for 8 to 10 rounds. That's your session, done in under 10 minutes. Why it works? It spikes your heart rate fast, activates your full body, and keeps your metabolism elevated long after you stop moving. Workout number 2, bodyweight squats. Your legs are the largest muscle group in your body. Train them and you force your body to burn more energy, period. Squats don't just build strength. When done with pace and volume, they become a conditioning tool that torches fat. How to do it? 4 sets of 20 squats. Rest 30 seconds between sets. Focus on depth. Get your thighs parallel to the ground. Pro tip, slow the descent down to 3 seconds. That added time under tension doubles the fat-burning effect. Workout number 3, burpees. Nobody likes burpees. That's exactly why they work. Burpees hit your chest, arms, core, and legs all at once, while spiking your cardiovascular system. They are the definition of efficient. How to do it? Do 10 burpees, rest 20 seconds. Repeat for 6 rounds. That's it. If 10 feels too hard, start with 5. If it feels too easy, add a jump at the top. Scale to your level, but do them. Workout number 4, high knees. High knees are running in place, but with intention. When you drive your knees up past your hip line, you engage your core, hip flexors, and cardiovascular system simultaneously. How to do it? 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Pump your arms like you're sprinting. 6 to 8 rounds. Focus on speed and height, not just going through the motions. Lazy high knees don't burn fat. Aggressive ones do. Workout number 5, mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a full-body cardio exercise disguised as a core move. Your arms are working to hold a plank. Your legs are driving forward repeatedly. Your heart rate climbs fast, all while your abs are engaged the entire time. How to do it? 30 seconds on, 15 seconds off, 8 rounds. Keep your hips level. Don't let them rise or drop. Speed matters here. Drive those knees toward your chest as fast as you can while maintaining control. Workout number 7, walking lunges. Walking lunges are deceptively brutal. After 3 sets, your legs will be on fire, and that burn means your body is working hard. They're also a fantastic calorie burner because they engage so many large muscle groups at once: glutes, quads, hamstrings, calves, and core. How to do it? 3 sets of 16 lunges, 8 per leg. Walk across a room, turn around, come back. Add a dumbbell in each hand if you want to increase intensity. Your metabolism will thank you later. Workout number 7, kettlebell swings or hip hinge swings. Here it is, number 7, the one most people skip. Kettlebell swings are arguably the most powerful fat-burning movement you can do. Why? Because they train your posterior chain, the entire backside of your body, with explosive power, cardio demand, and strength all in one movement. Studies show that kettlebell training can burn up to 20 calories per minute. That's equivalent to running at a 6-minute mile pace. How to do it? 15 swings, 30-second rest, 8 rounds. Use a weight that challenges you but allows you to maintain a flat back.
No kettlebell? Grab a heavy backpack or a water jug and hinge at the hips. The movement pattern is what matters. Workout number 8, push-up variations. Push-ups aren't just a chest exercise. They're a full body conditioning move. When done fast in circuits, push-ups elevate your heart rate, engage your core, and hit your triceps, shoulders, and chest simultaneously. How to do it? 4 rounds of 10 standard push-ups, 10 wide push-ups, and 10 tricep push-ups. Rest 30 seconds between rounds. The variety keeps your muscles guessing and keeps the intensity high. Workout number 9, sprint intervals. If you want to burn fat as fast as humanly possible, sprint intervals are the answer. Not long, slow jogs, sprints. Specifically, short bursts of all-out effort followed by brief recovery. This is called HIIT, high-intensity interval training, and the research behind it is overwhelming. How to do it? Sprint as fast as you can for 20 seconds. Walk for 40 seconds. Repeat 8 to 10 times. That's a 10-minute session that activates fat burning for up to 24 hours afterward. You don't need a track, a parking lot, a hallway, your backyard, anywhere works. Workout number 10, plank hold and core circuit. The final workout is about building the foundation that makes every other exercise more effective, your core. A strong core improves posture, breathing, and movement efficiency. That means every other workout burns more fat because your body moves better. How to do it? 40-second plank, 20 bicycle crunches, 15 leg raises, 20-second rest. Repeat 4 rounds. Don't rush through it. Control each rep. Your abs respond to tension and control, not speed.